Hello, today we're going to be having a look at this gyroscope. It is from the Tornado aircraft and it is made in Bracknell, England. There, you can see that. Made by Sperry. Okay, today we're going to be having a look inside of this case, so let's have a look. Okay, I've removed all the screws. You can see these little screws have a O-ring, this orange little O-ring on it. I think that's like either to hold it in place or sealing or something like that. Okay, let's take this off now. There is some kind of glue or sealant around the edge. Yeah, probably, yeah. As you can see, we have three main parts to it. Got the amplifier part, like the reading part, the gyroscope itself, which is this middle part, and some kind of interesting motor. Okay, there's a wire over here that's broken off. I don't know what that's about. Okay, I will take the gyroscope out now. Okay, I've taken all the screws out of this gyroscope, and I am going to take the cover off. It has a ball bearing inside that I've just dropped. Oh dear, that's not very good. And these very small little brushes, they're just little pieces of wire, but yeah, quite delicate. I'm gonna take out the gyroscope. There you go, there's the gyroscope. If you have a look in there, you can see this bit, and then inside there's the actual rotor, that brass thing is the actual rotor. This is one of the axes, and then the rotor inside. So the rotor spins this way, this axis is this way, and then this whole thing spins this way. So I'm guessing that this probably would have been like for the compass or something like that. Heading indicator, maybe. But there's the gyroscope. You can see this broken wire. I think it went on this pin, so I might solder that back on. And yeah, it also has the stator at the bottom. I don't exactly know what they use that for. There's another thing over here. This thing is, there's another stator in there. Maybe it's some other kind of sensor. Maybe these are two different sensors or something. Now I'm going to remove this, which is the amplifying and reader thing. I have now removed the amplifier, so yeah, let me get this out of the way. So this has a couple of transformers inside over here, and one over here. There's a whole load of transistors. There's a tube. I don't exactly know what this is. It looks like a transistor, but it only has two cables coming out of it. So I don't exactly know what that is. There are two larger transistors over here, and there's these things that I don't exactly know what are either. They're either transformers or transistors as well. Then we have this little plug, which is quite interesting. It plugs in to the bottom over here, right over there. So yeah, that has the amplifier.